What's your start? First time, every time. Now, if you didn't read the title of the thumbnail, which I'm assuming you did, considering you did click on this video, you did read it right. Enzo does have more damage, and once again, it wasn't my fault. Hello everybody, and welcome back to a brand new Crispy 182 video. And yeah, let me explain. Well, since you guys liked the last damage video so much, I thought I'd do it again. Now, this is the damage to Enzo The Polo. It's quite a big one this time, and yeah, that's going to hurt, and it's going to cost a lot of money to fix. So let's just quickly get into a bit more of a shaded area so I can properly show you exactly what's wrong with it. Alright, so parked up now, and it's a bit better, a bit easier to see. But yeah, this is a painful one. As you can see, the damage starts here, down here, all the way around there, and up here. This is the main point. This is like dented completely, as you can see. That's a painful one, but happens, and I'm going to now tell you the story of how it happened. So, I was parked in a car park, just like this. Well, not really like this, it was a proper car park. It was at the gym, and it was 8 o'clock at night. Already, the biggest mistake I could make was going to the gym during that stereotypical sort of rush hour where all the kids are in there and everything's an absolute madhouse. So, that was a big mistake. But can we just talk about how nice this car looks in a completely empty car park? This car park's never empty like this. But yeah, we were parked up, and me and my friend were going to the gym, and I park up nice and easy, you know. We're just chilling out, having a bit of time. We're just talking, we're chatting, we're talking about what we're going to do in the gym. And then we decide, right, let's pop into the gym. Now, we go into the gym, everything's going nice. Do our workout, come back out, and there's a van, right? So there's a van, he's parked in another spot. Bearing in mind, he was parked there and I pulled up. So I kind of predicted it was going to happen. It was parked over the line into the other bay. So obviously some kids come down, just drove in. It's not their fault completely, it's more the van's fault, but they've just come in, misjudged the turning into it, tried to avoid the van that's parked over the line, and they've just clipped the back of my car. Now their car was still there, had a bit of damage, and it was worse than mine, and I feel bad for them because, you know, really it's not their fault. They were very apologetic, and that's completely all right. It's just, it happens. I mean, it's annoying because obviously it's so deep in places, it's down to bare metal. It's going to need a proper body shop to take a look at it, and we're going to lose Enzo for a bit, but hey ho, life happens. And yeah, once again, it's not my fault, so my clean record of it never being my fault still continues. But you know, it's just a shame that literally about a few days after Enzo gets fully repaired, he gets damaged again. But he really needs a clean, doesn't he? Flipping it. The sand in the UK at the moment is awful. Like, it's everywhere, it's all over my hand. But yeah, so it's a shame, but it happens. Yeah, got my friends coming around later. One of them's just passed the test, so he's gonna come around. I think he's bringing his car, and we're probably going down to the beach. So hopefully we can get some convoy footage. A bit like Forza back in the day. He used to play Forza with me on this channel, so you guys might recognise him a little bit. But yeah, we're gonna get out there, have a bit of fun, and it's all gonna go hopefully smoothly, and hopefully no more accidents. So yeah, let's go. Right, so sleepover shenanigans. Tom, can we get a quick review of your car, please? Oh, what the fuck? That was weird. Right, so they're at the sleepover. Can we get a review of your car, please?
So, look, to unlock it, we press this.
It's got no
twice.
indicator on it at all.
Then the door opens.
And what is this? How is someone supposed to fit in here?
Well, that gets thrown in the back.
Oh, no, it's just a seat for the water ball.
Yeah.
Right.
That's for when the car overheats.
Okay.
Then if we look in the back, my seats are currently down.
Right.
I don't remember why.
So we opened the boot that never used to work.
Oh, because I had fishing rods all the way through here.
Don't ask why the panels are missing of the...
The panels are missing because I can't be asked to put them back on.
That's lovely, isn't it?
The panels are missing because I can't be asked to wind the thing up properly.
Right.
Don't know what's in this side.
This parking, I have to say, greatest parking I've seen.
Let's go.
Apart from the fact I can literally sit down and anyway, we need to get into Enzo The Polo. We're all going in one car, and Kyle's going to basically record from now on.
I'm scared. Device is not responding. Oh, I love it.
Oh, got a traction control light then. Hang on.
I managed to spin.
Okay, and now you're going to blur the speedo.
Sup, folks? Respective cameraman for today. We're here at some pizza shop. I'm gonna get some grub. I don't know if I'm allowed to record in there, so I'm not going to. We'll see when we get the food. Currently in the back rooms of Boss Man's. We've lost it all.
Oh no, we trusted Tom with the keys.
We went down to the gambling centre. We lost it all.
Yeah, we trusted Tom
Now
with the keys.
we're working in Boss Man's, stacking shelves. This is how it goes. Oh yeah, wait, we're on drink duty. No, I'm joking. Drink responsibly. Wait, no, don't leave me here. What do I get?
Drink, whatever you think's good.
Carbonated?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll watch it back when I
Let's see how it gets on. Okay. What drink should I get? Miranda. Mountain Dew. Miranda. KA pineapple. Rubicon. Fuck it, we'll get Rubicon. Don't know. Fuck it. Curry sauce? No, I can't get curry sauce. I'm in here for drinks, man. Fucking this one. Shout out Fanta. Right, let's go buy it. Are we recording? Yeah, we're on.
Right, so we've got a slight issue here. We'll have to use the sat nav to navigate the place where we live. Yeah, if we get lost, you won't see this, but you will see this video. I'll still post it.
You'll see this video, but as a police missing note.
Yes.
This will be the last scene thing.
If you see, Tom's mum's just texted him.
What's she saying?
Good food. Good food.
Half and bed.
In 50 yards at the
Thanks, Mum.
roundabout, continue straight to stay on Richmond Road, A259.
Bro, the
Oh,
dog.
there's so many roundabouts.
Yeah, that's zero confidence.
Roundabout Central. That's me.
Huh?
In the side. Who's got it really?
Where's that going?
That's that one.
I haven't been down here since I was learning to drive.
Yeah, I haven't been down it since either.
I mean, yeah, you know, just cruising. The sport suspension in the Polo is often very nice because, you know, it holds the road better. However, today it's not really working. Our drinks are getting shaken up. There is like 4 missiles in the back of my car. So again, if you see next time Enzo's got more damage, there's a hole in the roof, you kind of know the reason. So yeah, it's funny because this is a damage video, isn't it?
I'll come back to when we get something interesting.
Come back until we get there.
Bye guys. Alright, check it out.
We've made it. Got pizza.
Oh mate, what a view that is.
Yeah.
That's a good shot. Hopefully you can get a screenshot out of that. I mean, that's a nice background.
We're going to be doing a little fun thing on the way back. Relating to Enzo. Carl's going to give us a little
Oh!
and a slight car review as well.
I should be alright. As long as I can find the biting point in your car,
Oh,
I think it'll be like the one I drive in.
oh yeah.
Not my dad's car, but... Alright, let's sit down over... This is the view. Look at that for a bloody sunset, lads. This is England, not tiki-taka.
That's perfect.
We got Tom back there. Hey Tom. What car? What car? Alright, we're plonking down here.
Guess the pivot.
We'll go up by here, whack our stuff down over here. This is the vlog. We've got Beveraginos. He's got Pizzerinos. We'll readjust the zoom real quick.
Lads, I've noticed 1, this ball's flat, and 2, this ball's not round.
Give me a shot,
See you
man.
Okay. See you later, lads. Alright, so we're on some private land. this man is going to give it a go driving the Polo. He's going to give us his thoughts at the end on the way back, I'm sure. But yeah, he's going to give this a go.
You tell me how to turn it on.
Key's already in the ignition.
What, do I have to press the clutch down?
Yeah, press the clutch down.
Okay. Oh my
Key.
god, that's a light clutch. Now what?
Turn it again.
Now it's on, yeah?
Yeah, that's it. Right.
Mate, this is crazy
Here we
stuff.
go. Can we find the clutch? Handbrake as well, mate.
Yeah, I know, but I need to. Okay, cool. I know.
Here we go.
Fine.
That was clean, you know.
Always,
That's it,
mate.
put your
Always.
foot down.
Always, mate.
You know what?
Always. You know how it be. You know how.
He's
it be.
driving well, you know, lads.
You know how it be.
This is impressive, actually. I wasn't expecting us to move off that quick. This wasn't edited either. That was his first go.
This is such a nice car. In my dad's car, I've usually got a third now. It's a nice car that it won't. There's no engine strain, you know.
No, exactly.
I don't. Do I have to indicate on it?
No, it's just a turn.
Wow. I've also never used an ignition before, so that's the first time.
Yeah.
How do your brakes work?
Quite powerful.
Okay.
That's it.
I see.
Give us a good full turn. That's it. I got it.
Oh my god.
This is good.
It's new, and I'll tell you how I feel about it. But it's new.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
The pedals feel different.
Yeah.
They're the most updated pedals I've used.
Yeah, they were different for me when I got the
Also,
car.
the clutch tank's a little bit.
But if you slow down, let this guy turn around, and then you can pull round to the very end. So if you put it back into first, that's it. Then we'll just wait for him to come back down.
Okay. Whoa. Relax.
Feel the clutch braking. That's it.
Braking gently.
That's it. Clean. That's it.
I'm telling you, this is the way to go.
And there he is. There's Tom. So whack that indicator on. Put the clutch brake. And then right, out again.
Yeah, I know.
And then
Off the accelerator. That would be nice.
lovely.
Now that was revolutionary. Get the bloody light on.
Hey,
Stay there. Let car drive home.
that was low key clean. That. Yeah. Here he is in the dark once again. Look at him. They say the VW stare ain't real. I think it is. Alright, I've got to drive back now, and Carl's going to give his thoughts on the car
Ignition's on.
while he drives back. You just okay the steering wheel. You usually does as well.
Fair enough.
Alright, anyway. That's it. Alright. Okay, I'll pass it back over to Carl, and we'll have a bit of thoughts, and then, yeah, talk about the car. And then we might go out for a quick spin, but yeah. And then that'll pretty much be the end of the video, so let's do this.
Alright, so obviously, as you just saw, I got the grateful opportunity to drive the bloody Polo, bloody Enzo. Here's my thoughts and what I think about the car. Obviously, all you've ever seen is Chris's opinion on the car and maybe some other reviews online. I can say as someone that's driven his car, it's class, it's world class. Steering's good, the pedals are new, and what I mean by that is the clutch is very, very easy. Like there's no strain trying to put it down. It's class. Gear changing's class. Like in the about 5 minutes I got to drive the bloody car, I enjoyed it. It's great. It's world class. Yeah, that's all I got. It's world class.